And last but not least, a rare duck here. How about the 1965 Ford Mustang T5 hardtop? You say, well, I see a million of those. What can be rare about that? Well, glad you asked, Steve. It is one of 340 in the United States that were built for overseas, and it's number 13 in the T5 registry.
Wow.
Top loader 4-speed with a 289 4-barrel, nicely restored, but this car is rare, and most people wouldn't know it. You'd walk past it and just think, well, that's just another Mustang, 65 Mustang hardtop.
But oh no.
But oh no. It is more. And so, it's one of those ones that will catch you flat-footed sometimes.
There is no end to special Mustangs.
There's no end to special cars, period. Just when you think you know everything, you know nothing.
Exactly.
And I don't mean you personally, although I could use you as an example because it's my birthday, so I can
That's whatever
say
you
what
want.
I want.
Whatever you want.
We'll give you this for your birthday.